Hello, my name is Mike Reed, and I'm coming to you with a video regarding Bunn drink machines. All right. So, Bunn has factory training on the East Coast, and I'm going to do this video, and it's going to tell you about the dates and what to expect and who to contact at Bunn in order to attend the class. Now, there'll be several other classes, but this is the first one that is coming up that I actually got around to for the channel. So once again, this is Mike Reed coming to you with a channel that's designed to help you get started in the commercial appliance business. This class is for September 12th to the 13th. Let me give you a little rundown on Bunn. Show you a little bit. I'm going to share this tab right here. And so the class that you will be taking is the Bunn Associate course. This is going to be a live in-person class. Okay, this is not e-learning, this is actually in person. So it's designed to set up the service technician who wants to learn about Bunn beverage equipment. And Bunn is the leader in this category. They're in every restaurant, every grocery store, just all over the place. Even like when I say grocery store, I mean if you go into certain aisles as far as like coffee, and they have it where you can grind your own coffee, take the beans and grind it. 9 times out of 10, that grinder is a Bunn coffee grinder. So Bunn's equipment is everywhere. Every restaurant, office, everybody uses Bunn. So this is set up. It'll have you to meet the minimum required established by Bunn. It is a 2-phase process so that you can become a Bunn Associate Certified Service Technician. Now, what this is going to do is this is going to get you listed in the system so that you can take care of Bunn equipment under warranty and also be a referral for people that need service on their equipment. So in order to become, so it's a good form of advertising without having to pay for advertising. All right, to begin, you must first complete phase 1. So it's 909 modules, and then you take the exam. And then, so phase 2 is the hands-on. You have to attend the hands-on training class. And then once you complete the 2-day hands-on training class, you're going to get your certificate and you'll be a Bunn Associate Certified Service Technician. So online, you just have to fill out sign the agreement about, electrocution and getting scalded with boiling hot water, that whole thing, to protect the Bunn Corporation. And then you just have the different modules here. And they just go over all kind of different things, right? So I'm going to get to it pretty soon and explain to you where the class is, when the class is, and who you need to contact. So it's just breaking down the different modules that like they said, you're taking 9, and so they're telling you everything you're doing. They're giving you basic knowledge of elements of the coffee brewing process. They're going to show you how to do installs, the whole 9. This shows you how to do the tea steeping machine, all different type of things. So everything is here. These are relatively quick modules. They're not long. They go over, they tell you what you get wrong, the whole nine, the whole nine. So let me show you what one of the modules looks like. And so this, I am 90% certain this is done by Igniter Labs. And I can show you guys what Igniter Labs looks like. I don't know if I should be showing you this or not. I'm pretty sure Bunn will tell me. Let's see here. I don't want to start the challenge. So these are the modules you can go ahead and select, go to any particular section that you would like. And so you can go over these as many times as you need to. They just want to make sure that you have the basic understanding of their equipment. Okay? They just want to make sure you have, yes, they just want to make sure you have a basic understanding of how this works. This is how they can conduct 2-day classes and not 2-week long classes like they used to have. So you go through all this stuff at your own pace, at your own time. You can take them as many times as you'd like. You can race through them. If you have experience with them, you could just start. You could just start with the questions. Select the switch. Let's see. That has the brew. Let's see. Click on the switch that is used to access level 2 programming. And I wasn't even paying attention. I wasn't even paying attention. I don't know if you guys were, because I think that was it, right? Let me see. Let me submit that. That's right. Okay, cool. So this is just what you'll be experiencing with this type of situation. Now let me go. I'm going to make these quick. I've decided this time to see. Here's the schedule. Okay, good. Let me show you guys the schedule. I decided this time to break these videos up to a million little small ones. That hopefully that'll make things a lot easier. So let me flash this across the screen. So the East Coast class schedule. So now they have it. They're just doing Central and East. So Central is Springfield, Illinois. East is Fort Mill, South Carolina. So that's what it is now. At one point in time, it was West, Central, and East, and now it is just Illinois and South Carolina. So as you see flashing across the screen at the bottom, this is the September class. There are other classes. I believe there's another one in December. There are other classes going to be for Illinois, but I'm going to do these all in sections. So there's no need if you're close to Illinois, no need to go on over to South Carolina because there are classes in Illinois. I'm just breaking these up because it was a little much doing every single class that Bunn has for the rest of the year. All right. So from 9/12 to 9/13, those 2 days, that's your in-person class. Once you finish with the online modules, then you can go ahead and submit that test. And then you're going to contact Amy. So here's her email address, amy.esela@bunn.com. And then you're going to let her know what dates you're interested in attending. And all this is on the Bunn website. All right. I would like to thank you all for following this video. Once again, this is for East Coast classes for September. And then there will be others for, I believe there's another one for December for the East Coast. And then if you're West Coast or down south, pretty close to downstate Illinois, there are 2 for downstate Illinois before the year is over with. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. There's going to be more stuff coming, and have a good day.